So this US dollar CAD analysis for Monday the 10th of September. Now let's just have a look what the price is and where price may likely go. So previously we've had price come down towards this 111, brief rally, well, brief pullback, consolidated, retested the 3111 for a perfect test, from which we've seen this strong bullish reaction, consolidation, tested 3288, brief pullback from there, and at present we broke above 3288. So we'll see if we can break and hold. If we can hold 3288, we have already broken above it, so we can see if we can hold this 3188. If we can hold this 3188, the very next level of note here to the upside, if we are to see that bullish buy side momentum start to follow through here, we'll be looking for prices to potentially head towards that 32.54, and if we are successful in breaking beyond 32.54, we are then looking for prices up towards that 33.54 here on the US dollar CAD. There is sufficient volatility to bring us beyond that. Our previous highs of 2018 so far, 33.83, may just come into focus. May think that may happen over the couple of days. Don't see it happening. Might not happen today. It may not have the sufficient volatility required. If, however, we have difficulty in breaking away from the 31.88, and instead what we do see is a breakdown in prices, the very next level of note here to the downside is of course 31.11, a well-established level of support and resistance here on the US dollar CAD. Failure to hold support in around 31.11, we then look at price head down towards that 30.69. With several confluences, we do have the 200 period moving average sitting slightly above 30.69, and a 400 period moving average sitting in around at 30.60. So we do have quite a few confluences down at the 30.69, therefore increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce if we were to see a retracement that deep on the US dollar CAD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly chart to see how prices are developing. We get the scaling is already correct on there. So what we can see here from a weekly chart perspective, we have a lows, higher lows, higher lows still. We've had this consolidative pullback, and from which we have seen an increase in the bullish buy side momentum more recently, particularly after testing that 200 period moving average here. From a weekly chart perspective, we had a gap up in the market, and we've had a fairly strong week last week. We did close a little bit away from quite a bit away from the highs, but we are seeing that bullishness in the market. So if we do see a follow through again, 33.83 key level to look at, and from a daily chart perspective, we can see here we've had this pullback down towards the 400 period moving average, and at 129, from which we've had a sharp acceleration in buy side momentum here to the upside. We've had a brief consolidation around 31.88. Previously in the area we encountered resistance, so we've had a pullback from there, tested support in around 31.11, and we're back at that 31.88 to see if we can break and hold above it this time. Unlike previous occasions where we did see a bit of a sell-off from 31.88 and see that momentum follow through. First level of notes is of course at 133. Previously in area, if we do successfully navigate 32.54, and beyond that, from a weekly chart, from a daily chart perspective, possibly our previous highs of 2018 so far in around 33.83 on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.